Hello everybody, today I'm gonna be buying some merch that the Board Ape Yacht Club, uh, they have a collaboration with the 100s. So the sale starts today at 10 a.m. Eastern time and it's gonna last 3 hours only. So to get the merch, basically you go to the Board Ape Yacht Club website, then you enter, click on members, merch, log in with your MetaMask, signed in, and you're gonna see your access code right there. After that, you go to boardapeyachtklub.store and it's gonna bring you to this website. Then it's gonna ask you to enter your access code and then you're gonna get here. So all this is pre-order. The rug, you can only buy one, and from the shirts and hoodies I believe you can buy two of each. So today I'm gonna buy the rug. It looks okay. Only 250 available. Well, probably they already sold out. And I'm gonna order a hoodie. Medium, I get two. So I just made the order. It looks like I was able to get the rug. We'll see. It said that it was a limited amount. I don't know. Well, it says that the order is confirmed. That's everything you have to do. The reason I'm buying is because first of all, I want the hoodie, and I'm probably gonna sell the other one, and the rug looks pretty good. If I see that they're selling for a pretty high amount, I'm probably gonna sell it. If not, I'm just gonna keep it. So that was everything for this video, guys. Let me know if you guys got any of this merch. Thanks for watching. Bye.